ancestors gave me gifts to read cards, predict and heal. My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me bye-bye love. Angels communicate through numbers. Intuition is so deep.
Hi everyone! Welcome po sa inyong almost personal reading. I want you to know that this is a general reading, so you may resonate po sa buong reading na ito or baka konti lamang. Take what's only yours. I also want you to know that this is a timeless reading. So kung kailan nyo po ito mapanood, the message is meant to find you. Now tignan natin kung ano po ang nangyayari sa paligid. Pasensya na, yung boses natin ay dahil sa weather, medyo minamala tayo, no? Hopefully, maitawid natin itong araw na ito with magandang reading at hindi siya mawala. So, your first card is the Eight of Cups and the Four of Pentacles. Wow! So, kasi nakikita natin dito, parang ikaw yata ito yung meron na talagang gustong parang yung isip mo sinasabi, gusto ko nang bumitaw eh. Which is, sige, yung kanta, parang ganon. Pero kasi, yung Four of Cups, parang meron ka pang inaantay, meron ka pang gustong makita. It's either, nandun pa yung pasensya, no? It's either inaantay ko yung talagang kawalang hiyaan nito para for me to really say goodbye. No, parang yun na yung pinaka-last resort ko or yun lang yung inaantay kong sabihin niya or yun lang yung inaantay kong gawin niya. And then, I can finally say, no, that will be my confirmation for me to really say goodbye. Or, baka kasi nandun pa rin naman yung kaya pa, no? Kaya ko pa baka naman mag-iba yung ihip ng hangin at magbago itong person ko. So, you're probably sitting on a fence of making a decision to let go or stay. So with the King of Wands, you're probably waiting for your person to actually talk to you, no, heart to heart. Parang sabi mo yata dito, kausapin mo ko yung totoo, no? Be brutally honest with me. I don't care kung masasaktan ako. Huwag lang yung papalabukan mo, no, yung pakikipag-usap sa akin just because alam mo yung gusto kong marinig. Pero hindi naman yun yung nafe-feel ko. I would rather want for you to tell me directly that you don't like me, that you don't love me anymore, that you don't want the relationship and you want to let go, you want to move forward. It will be much better for me to accept, no, yung ganong words. Kasi with the King of Wands. So direct, not or rude. It may be painful, but that's the truth. I'm okay with that. Kasi parang ang nangyayari dito, iba yung sinasabi ni person. Iba yung kinikilos niya. So that made you more question even yourself, no? That made you question even your sanity, your understanding. Para kasing, ano ba to? Mali ba? Nababaliw na ba ako? Mali ba yung mga pagkakaintindi ko? Or baka sinasadya man ba ito ni person para nandun lang ako, no, nakahang lang ako. With the Ace of Cups, edi ikaw pala yung naunang mahal naman si person. Kumbaga, ikaw ang naunang nagmahal kaysa naging mahal ka niya. And parang ikaw din yung nauna yata ding magbigay ng pahiwatig or ikaw yung unang ma-in love, no? And there's nothing wrong with that kasi nakita ko naman with the Ace of Cups, maayos naman yung naging samahan niya, no? Somewhat nag-reciprocate din naman si person with the Ace of Cups. Yun nga lang, habang nag-journey kayo, habang tumatagal yung relationship, naiiba yung yung approach niya, no, dito sa relationship ninyo. With the Six of Cups, parang kung maibabalik ko lang yung time na nagsisimula pa lang kami. Siguro hindi ko na muna siya sinagot, no? Probably I exhausted all those efforts, no? Up until makita ko yung tunay niyang ugali. Kasi parang nakita natin dito with the Ace of Cups, yun nga, ikaw yung nagbigay ng intensyon. Ikaw yung nagpakita ng motibo. So, kinagat ni person na excite tayo. Kumbaga, sana inisip natin, sana pala, no? Nung mga panahon na yon, in-enjoy ko muna. Kasi nandun yung mga efforts niya, yung mga care, no? Mabubuting, kumbaga, mabubuti lang yung pinapakita ni person dito by that time, eh, no? Yung kumain ka na ba? Yung hatid sundo, yung mga ganyan, constant yung communication. You're missing all of those, yung mga ginagawa nyo, kahit sweet nothings yan, no? With the Queen of Cups, parang i-extend mo pa dito yung love mo, no? I-extend mo pa yung time to give this person a chance. Which is, I think, yun yung ginagawa mo ngayon. I feel like this is the current then. Kasi nandito na nga tayo yung, katulad ng sinabi ko kanina, it's either inaantay ko lang na mayroon kang sabihin or gawin and that would be my last straw. Or, ganun din, may inaantay din ako na sabihin mo lang or gawin mo, then probably I'd stay. Ito ba yung mga A Million Reason, no, ni Lady Gaga? Parang, I have 100 million to walk away. But I just need one good one to stay put. Ayan, ang ganda, di ba? Ang dami mo nang napopoint na, ang ganda ng kantang yun, no? Ngayon ko lang din na ano yung naramdaman because of this reading. Kasi ang dami mong rason or pwede ka madaming ma-pinpoint dito kay person para umalis na talaga. Isa lang talaga yung either inaantay mo para dito kay person na sabihin, gawin, para manatili ka pa, no? Yun yung kantang yun eh. Pakinggan nyo, medyo nakakaiyak siya. At siguro mas mararamdaman nyo kapag yung may kanta. Bukod sa hindi ako marunong kumanta, ganito pa yung boses ko. Doon ka na kay Lady Gaga, pakinggan ko. Little Monster. So ayun nga, you're on the verge of making a decision. Should you walk out or stay? Meron ka pang hinahanap dito. Meron ka pang inaantay kay person. This is your reading. Let's check the zodiac sign now of your person. Pero bago yan, kung kayo po ay nakaka-resonate, let me know sa comment section. At kung kayo ay merong katanungan, sa description box ng video na ito, there is a link. Click the link. You're gonna be routed to my website. Nandun po yung name, number, QR code, amount per question. Take advantage of the 4 questions plus 1 kasi discounted po yun. And if you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya. Now let's check the zodiac sign. I am seeing Pisces, Scorpio, Cancer, Sagittarius, Taurus, Aries, and Leo. This is your reading. Maraming salamat. Love and light. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na readings. Goodbye.